Hey guys, we're out here at Cresson doing a facility review. If you've ever been out at Motorsport Ranch Cresson, it's just outside DFW. It's about an hour and a half. And they've recently put a lot of money into new upgrades. They've repoured additional parking. They've added covered spaces, which is really great in the summer. You don't have to bake under the sun. They completely renovated the restrooms, the common areas, the classrooms, and it's really become a nicer facility, maybe to start competing against some of the newer tracks, ECR or COTA with garages and power. So we're going to be taking a look around and kind of show you exactly what does the facility look like and what can you expect if you run a track day or a race out here. Here you can see the covered awning. Have another covered awning. They do provide air pressure to reinflate your tires, as well as 110 power. We're in the upstairs area. This is great for lunch. You have a great view of the track from here. It's shaded and it stays pretty cool in the summer.
MSR Cresson is a great track to drive on. They have several different configurations. This is the 1.7. It can be run clockwise as well as counterclockwise. There's also a newer 1.3 mile edition on the back side. It's very steep with some significant elevation changes. They can also be combined, the 1.3 and the 1.7, into a 3.1 mile track, which is a lot of fun. I would really rank Cresson as a competitive track. It's very solid. I think it's in better shape than the old Texas World Speedway. It's better shape than Harris Hill. COTA is obviously top of the line, world class, but it's also more expensive and it's a different type of track that is not as forgiving with runoff. So in that sense, I think Cresson is conveniently slotted. So there's a lot of tracks, and I think it's a great comparison of the facilities of track versus just another track day video. Let me know if there's something else that you want to see. I've tried to show the classroom areas, a lot of the common seating, and you just get an idea of where you hang out on your track day in between the sessions. If you don't bring your own RV or motorhome air-conditioned space, this is where the people hang out, and I'm happy to share it with you guys, especially in comparison to the other tracks in Texas, or if you're considering driving here from a longer distance. Hope that you find this helpful. Thanks.